To use travel credits when booking on JetBlue. Start by accessing the JetBlue application through the App Store, website, or browser by typing in www.jetblue.com. From the home page, scroll down to the Get Help section, where you can search for answers and click on Travel Bank Credits. This is where you can access your credits. If you have any questions about using credits for booking, you can type them into the search bar and find the relevant information. To view your current balance, expiration dates, and transaction history, and to use your credits for a new booking, create and log into your travel credits account. This account is automatically created when you're first issued travel credits, and your login information is sent to you in 2 separate welcome emails. Note that the link in the password creation email expires after 48 hours. So if you haven't received or can't locate it, you can request your login and reset your password using the online lookup form. To use your credits, simply log into your account and select them as a method of payment. Your login ID and password are required every time you want to view or use your travel credits. By following these steps, you can easily use your travel credits to book a flight on JetBlue. The process is straightforward, and accessing your credits is simple once you've logged into your account.